Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Shanara Vlogs. Treated myself to a new fishing kit. Yeah, it's got everything in it. It wasn't very expensive. I got this from eBay. So shall we open it up? It's a bit hard with just one hand. I've managed to get myself a cameraman so I can show you properly. Yeah, this is what you get. That's your fishing rod. That's the fishing rod. Let's have a look. Geez, I don't know how to use this. I'm not sure. I have to work it out. And yeah, this is what we've got in there. Have a close look. So, not sure what that's for. It looks interesting though. But yeah, we'll find out. Have a close look at that. That's the reel there. Yeah, and then there. That's how it works. That needs to be fitted to this stand, I think. This is the stand. This is the bit I don't like. That's the bait. Have a close look at the bait. This is what it looks like. You see? That's the bit I don't like. And yeah, I'll find out what that is. And then what have we got here? So these are them floaters that you use that floats on top of the water, so you can see where your where the line is. And I think these are, I'm not sure, I'll find out. And then this is the hooks. Got a set of hooks here. See, yeah. So I'm gonna go fishing now. I'm gonna go and get ready. So yeah, stay with me and let's see if we can catch some fish. And look what I found on the way. Oh my god, it is so cute. I don't know what it is. I think it's a baby horse, but his hair's like, well, his mane, it's like all stood up and it's so cute. He's scratching his back there on that branch. I couldn't help but stop by and admire this animal. Like, it's so cute. This place where I always come, I come here like a few times a week, every week. It's just near my house. It's not far, probably about a 5-minute walk. And it's got like farmland on either side, so you get to see all sorts of animals. Just arrived at the canal. Well, we've been walking for a few minutes and we're going to go a little bit further on to a nicer spot. It's not actually too hot today and we've got a really nice cool breeze. Look at these beautiful daisies. Are they daisies? They look like daisies. There you go, it's all along the banking. Horses are grazing. There's a mixture of horse, ponies, there's sheep. This really reminds me of Bangladesh. Look at this, water lily pads, and there's a yellow one there. Aro okhano dekhuka, aro kichu ache. Odekhani bet. Eta hoilo ki odeshi bet. Ekhon ekhono choto roise. Ekhon aise mas marar shomoy. Just to let you know, we are only doing this for fun, and you shouldn't like take home or think of eating any of the fish from the canal. You could fall sick from it, like you could get food poisoning. খুব জরুরি একটা কথা হইলো, এটা জায়গার মাছ খাওয়া ঠিক নাই, কারণ এটা পানি খাসরা, ময়লা পানি। এটার মাছ খাইলে ফুড পয়জনিং হইতে পারে, আরো কত বেমার হইতে পারে। সো না খাওয়াটা বালা, আমরা জাস্ট মজার লাগে হরিয়ার। Up to now, I've always thought fishing for fun was really cruel, but I've done some research and I've spoken to some of the local people who come here quite often fishing. And basically, fish don't have any pain receptors around the mouth because they're used to, you know, when they eat the smaller fish and they crunch through the bones, so they're actually used to it. Well, we've had no luck so far. We've been trying for about half an hour. Yeah, you need to try for a lot longer. You need a lot of patience with fishing. We just don't have the patience. We've walked along the canal. We've tried different parts, had no luck. But there's other fishermen around and they've had loads of luck. They've caught loads of fish. There's a lot of pike and roach in here, and there's another type of fish, I can't just remember the name. The pike and the roach, they're both predator fish. The pike has like more than 75 teeth, I think, and it's like green with yellow spots. And then you've got the roach, which is like a silver colour. So we've just moved on to another spot, and it gets boring after like 10-15 minutes. Yeah, I need a lot more patience for this. Still no luck. We'll keep trying. So we finished fishing, and yeah, so it was the first time and we've not caught anything. And we met this beautiful donkey on the way home. So all in all, it's not been a waste. It's been a lovely afternoon out. We've had a nice walk. We've had a go at fishing. We met some lovely animals on the way. Met some lovely people along the canal, other fishermen, some with a lot of experience. So I've learnt a lot as well. Well, I'm gonna love you all and leave you all. If you've got as far as this part of the video, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Of course, that is if you did like the video. I would love some support from you guys. Take care now. Allah Hafiz and Assalamu Alaikum.